Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and today I want to showcase another card using the Design Series paper for Halloween that we have in Stampin' Up. It is called Troil and Trouble Design Series paper, which is actually the one from this suite. So you can see a lot of samples here. And it has a coordinating stamp set, or actually a bundle, because you can get them together and save 10%. And you can see some of the images from the stamp set and that has a framelit can be also die cut from the Design Series paper, which I love that Stampin' Up is doing more and more on their Design Series paper. So you have here some of those, so like the count room, the witches, the little cat. There are also some bats that can be cut with the punch. Then you have some pumpkins that I think will be also great for like Thanksgiving. And then of course this witch hat that you can also die cut with the framelits. Now if you don't have the framelits, you can fussy cut them, and that's exactly what I've done here. I fussy cut them here, and you can see I've been playing a lot with these images. You can see here some of those pumpkins. Like I said, it's really fun. I mean, just take one afternoon and start cutting your paper, either with the framelits. I actually hand cut also this little frog, and here's a little cat. Like I said, you can also have that one. Now, not all the witches on the Design Series paper can be cut with the framelits. Like this one is exactly the one that they have, but like this one is differently. You can see the hair is different, the hat is different, and the hand positioning is different. So some of them you still will have to do some fussy cutting, but some others will be as easy as using the framelits. So I've been playing a lot with it. I'm having so much fun. I think that this is one of the best set Design Series paper that we have. Now for this card though, I'm gonna be using the stamp set that is called Buffalo Check, which I think is great. I think it will be fabulous for all the seasons, and so Halloween is no exception. So this one is 3 3/4 by 5. And I have already, and this is gorgeous grape, and I have already mounted my stamp set on an acrylic block. Then I'm going to be inking. And when it is a large stamp, you want to ink it this way, just to make sure you have a great coverage. Then I'm going to be putting the paper, but before I do that, let me just make sure I have a some scrap of paper, and I'm gonna be just putting them like so, and then I always just rub it. That way I have a really good transfer of the stamp set into my paper. So I'm just rubbing it firmly, and I'm trying to make sure I don't move the paper at the bottom. That way the image doesn't get all moving. And there we go. See? So it looks fabulous. I love it. So this is gonna be the one that I'm using. Here we go. Do you like it? I feel like it's amazing. So anyway, so let's just go now with the card. Let's just keep going through these. So my card base is basic black, and this one is, as always, 5.5 by 8.5, which we're going to be folding in half using the bone folder. Then this is going to be my card front. You see that? It looks amazing, don't you think? Like I said, it's just those little things. And now, because the card is in basic black, I want to use a piece of Whisper White inside, so that I have a place where I can write down. You can always use a gold or a silver pen and still see through the black, but a lot of the times I prefer putting a piece of white, of Whisper White, so that I can use anything to write down. I don't have to be having any special pen or something like that, right? So but if you want, like I said, you can use a silver pen, which I think will be great for like Halloween, don't you think? But again, you don't have to. So here we go. Now this piece, I didn't say that, but it is also 3 3/4 by 5, same as the piece of Gorgeous Grape. Now out of the design series paper, you can see it here, I die cut one of the circles, the larger circles of the stitch shaped framelit. So this will go like so, and I'm going to be using this ones. Okay, and don't you think it looks amazing? Like I said, that design series paper is just fabulous. Now for this one, I have already die cut a star out of the takeout thinlet set, which is this one, and this is the one that does the little box. Let me just show you a little box here that I made. There's a video for this one, so you can see I've been playing a lot with the bats and the design series paper. I mean, really, I just love this design series paper so much. And so anyway, so we have these, and I'm also gonna be using the itty bitty greetings to put the trick or treat, because I think that that's just the perfect sentiment for Halloween, don't you think? All right, so let's just put this one, and I'm using Memento ink, and I'm gonna be, well, let's just put it here. All right. And we're gonna go ahead and punch it out. Where is my, oh, here it is. Here's my punch. And now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do this so I can have a nice banner. I love how it looks. Oh, there we go. And in this case, I want to put those two together, you know, and put this one here, and then have them here like so. Okay, now I think I want to put this one's here. Let me just think about this. So this one will go like so. Oh, I think it looks fabulous, just like that. Okay, so let's just put these two together. Now for this one, I've been doing more and more the Wink of a Stella on the star and the bat, so I will probably do the same on this one if I can find my Wink of a Stella. Here it is. Like if I can find a Wink of a Stella, you know. And you know what? It would be nice if I put also this, the apron of the witch with Wink of a Stella, just to add a little something. And I'll show you in a second how it looks. I love adding Wink of a Stella to the elements. I feel like it adds something else. And I'll probably put also this Wink of a Stella to the green potion that is coming out of the cauldron here, don't you think? Just to have something there, you know, as, I don't know, something special. And then the same thing for the star. And we go that way. Alrighty, so let's just see. So I'll have these things together, and we're gonna glue these two. And this one is pumpkin pie, and this one is granny apple green. I always mess up this. And then I'll put a glue dot here. And so here's how it looks. See that? That shimmer look looks fantastic. So let's just put it like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and put everything. Ooh, I think I lost my little frog already. Oh, here it is. Seems like somewhere there was a frog. Okay, so we're gonna glue these down. And I'm gonna be putting it like so. And then I think this one will have to be, everything has to be popped up, don't you think? Yes, of course. You know me. I love dimension. I love dimensionals, of course. So I'll put 2 more here, and then the little bitty ones. So I have them covering everything here. I think I'll have to cut one of these, honestly, for the legs. Okay. Oh. All right. Then I'm going to be putting some here too. Oh. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. And then this little frog also needs a little one. Yes. Alright, so let's just start taking out dimensional bags. I'm gonna bring my trash can here so I can do this faster. Okay. So, yes. So I'll put this one like so. And we're gonna take back in here. I'll put the little frog as well. And then this one we're going to be using a dimensional here. And since I have this house, I'm going to be using those. Taking all the backings. And we're going to be putting them like so. Voila. What do you think, huh? Really quick and easy. And like I said, using that design series paper is awesome. I just love it. I feel like you can make plenty of cards in no time. Let me just show you a few of the ones that I've been doing lately so you can see it. Different looks, totally. See that? And then this one is one of my favorites, although I love them all. And there's videos for all of these, so check out my YouTube video. Here's another one that I did, and this one is the takeout box where I got the star. This is the same framelit. And anyway, so I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget about the ordering incentive that I have there in 2018. Where if you place an order with me using the hostess code, and you get the hostess code out of my blog at creatingwithali.com, you get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards. And you get everything, embellishment, paper, whatever I use, except the stamping. The stamping will not be included, but you can substitute with whatever you have on hand. So that's always nice. Or you can, even better, you can purchase those in the next month and get again the ordering incentive. if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the embellishment of the month, which could be rhinestones or ribbon or some of the trinkets. So you name it. Every month is different. So give it a try. Hopefully you like it, and also do sign up for my newsletter. I have several online classes coming up, so I'm sure you might also enjoy getting some of those. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.